let me just tell you why we need to work on mindset first. So, a lot of you might already know the mindset issues that are holding you back, but it's important that you get clear on your specific mindset challenges. So, we have to examine the thought, right? When we identify our challenges and hold them up to the light and examine them, they lose their power and then we can push past them. It's science backed. If you Google CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, this is an entire body of work where it's just a therapist helping you identify the thoughts that are making you feel like shit and then reframing them and saying, like, is it true? Is there another side to this? Is there a chance that what you're thinking could be a thought error? Okay, let's reframe this. So it's really a matter of reframing these assumptions we have. And I think it was Saneed in the community group chat today. She brought up a good mindset error. And it was like, she goes, I'm afraid to get on calls with clients and start pitching because if they have objections, I'm not going to know how to answer. And that's something our mind does. It plays tricks on us where we put the cart way before the horse. So it's like you're worried about what they're going to say back to you and throw at you, but you haven't even taken the step yet to do the cold pitch. That's what your brain will do to you to keep you safe. It says to you, don't send that pitch because if you get a response, you're not going to know what to do. And the thing with freelancing is that we have to take messy, imperfect action. We have to learn as we go. Even with my brand, paidcopywriter.com, I was frozen in time at one point. This was maybe like 2 years ago where I was like, I can't do this. I can't market paidcopywriter.com. I can't make YouTube videos and I can't enroll people into 30 days to paid because if this course grows out of control, I don't think I'll have the capacity to take care of my customers, my clients, my students, and answer all their questions. And I had to reel myself back in and say, Christine, you'll hire someone to help you if the work gets overwhelming. You'll figure it out. Right now, I'm telling myself I can't market 30 days to paid because I'm not sure what's going to happen down the road. But that problem isn't here yet. So keep pushing forward. And what that did for me was allow me to move forward and trust myself that I will figure it out. If I get an influx of students, I will get help that I need to run my business. And that did wind up happening. I did wind up hiring a virtual assistant and getting the help I needed, but I had to trust that I would figure it out as I go. So with everything that your brain tells you throughout this process of, oh, I need to set up an LLC, I need to set up this, oh no, I can't pitch because of this, we do have to override some of those thoughts.